Welcome to the channel. On this episode, we go to Kansas for the Shift Sector airstrip attack. Look at him. Whoop. That's Wayne Potts. So here we are at Buc-ee's, Dallas. Melissa, actually. Melissa. I got the Steve-O.
Hola.
Waiting for somebody within the party to finish in the restroom to get on the road. Wayniac. Hey, Wayniac.
Hey, buddy, what's going on?
What are we going to do in Kansas?
Well, the weather's great compared to last year.
Weather is
we're going to do
wonderful.
200.1.
Yeah. No, we need to do 210.9.
Listen, if we don't have to work on the cars and we can just drink beers afterwards, that's the goal.
Drink beers afterwards.
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 Yeah.
Well, we're here at Shift Sector and it's freezing. It's 42 degrees. Here comes Ham Hands. Daniel.
Hey, what's up, man?
Just checking out the paddock here. Getting set up. Are you ready to rock?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's cold. We can't even get the car started. It's too cold. So waiting on Wayne for cold start.
Yep.
We got Steve-O firing up his Jenny with some gasoline. How you doing, Steve?
Chili.
Chili. Look at this. About ready to rock. Wayne has got quite the show of people looking at my car as he tunes it. Because it sounds kind of angry right now.
Going out of 5:56 for Todd.
Yeah. Oh, in the trailer? Yeah, yeah.
Well, update. It's not the best day. Steve's car is doing well. Qualified with a 195. Dan's car is having some starting issues, so Wayne's in there trying to figure that out. Mine is getting a plug change with good old Steve-O and John Bray right there. So anyway, nothing like a track side plug change on a Porsche. I think I'm misqualifying today, but hopefully we'll be back up and running for tomorrow. Here we go. Oh, got a slow start. It's a 6-speed though. He should be good. Yeah. Come on, Steve-O. Oh, he's got the power.
There he goes. Yeah. There he goes. Yeah.
Nice. Good job, Steve-O. The champ! Woo! The champ! Yes.
Good job, Steve.
Awesome.
So Steve comes, he runs a 195 this morning to qualify, and then deals with all my crap all day, and then vindication, he wins.
There's a lot of crap to deal with too. There's a lot of crap.
Hey. $194. What do you do in the Airbnb at a race? You check your wastegate springs. Day 2 shift sector, Kansas. The cars made it overnight, sitting under tent. Steve has decided to change his plugs this morning. Mike is unloading the 993. He put it away last night. Let's check him out. Oh, looks like they're doing something. Doing something. Steve's getting the floor jack for some reason. Say hi, Steve. Hola. Beautiful day. Today is nice and sunny. Still chilly, still a headwind. But we're going to get things kicked off real soon. Hopefully run 200 today. There goes Steve-O. There it is. First one of the day. Put some plugs in. Just gonna give it a shot.
That is the best 165 Bernie in that lineup to be in their group. And then Bernie and his BMW, 166.05.
it's out. New one's in.
That's it. That's it, baby.
That's it, baby.
Go faster than 181, we're going to find out.
DJ Skills is in the mix.
This looks like a good run for both of them.
Is that a dinosaur, John?
That's a dinosaur.
Okay, update at shiftsector.
For sure.
Steve has run a 196. Dan has run a 198. And I have a 199. So that's where we sit at this point. So
It's a 16 buff in the dark every
Free at taxact.com. 20% less comparison based on TurboTax pricing for paid consumer federal products on March 12, 2021. Price set following it may change. See taxact.com for guaranteed.
Looks like they're in it. I'm not sure how that played out.
well, they get to 180.
Tell me
They,
later.
yeah, that's probably the. Here, buddy. Got that 360? Woo!